Ducati just did something they've never done in 100 years. And they did it live at World Ducati Week. This isn't a Panigale, isn't a Multistrada. It's a Supermoto. Let's get into it. At World Ducati Week 2026 in Misano, Ducati unveiled the Desmo450 SM, their first ever factory supermoto, and the timing's no accident. WDW 2026 is also Ducati's 100th anniversary celebration, so debuting a brand new category here is a real statement. This isn't out of nowhere. Ducati's been quietly building an off-road sub-brand called Desmo, the 250 MX, the 450 Enduro that just dropped in June, the 450 MX, and the 450 MX Factory. The SM makes it 5 models. Ducati is clearly serious about off-road, motocross, enduro, and now one of the most technical and fun disciplines out there, Supermoto. And this isn't just a badge job. The bike's reportedly already been track tested and approved by Mark Reiner Schmidt, a 4-time Supermoto world champion. With dedicated brakes, suspension, engine components, and bodywork built specifically for the discipline. Misano wasn't just about the SM either. Ducati also showed the limited Superleggera F4 Centenario and the Collezione 100, 10 special edition models spanning the Panigale, Multistrada, Monster, and Diavel lines. This whole event is Ducati flexing across every category they build. And now off-road is officially one of them. What we saw was a pre-production model. The full specs, pricing, and a release date should land this September, and I'll cover it the moment it drops. Is Ducati's Supermoto push smart, or a distraction from what they do best? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe so you don't miss the September reveal.